Welcome to our video on capitalization conventions in C#. Capitalization is an important aspect of coding, as it helps to make the code easier to read and understand. In this video, we'll explore the different types of capitalization conventions that are commonly used in C# and how you can use them to improve the readability and clarity of your code. We'll also discuss the importance of being consistent with your capitalization in order to make your code more organized and easier to understand. In C#, there are three types of capitalization. PascalCase. This is a naming convention where the first letter of each word is capitalized. For example, customer name. CamelCase. This is a naming convention where the first letter of the first word is lowercase and the first letter of each subsequent word is capitalized. For example, customer address. ALLCAPS. This is a naming convention where all letters in the word are capitalized. This is typically used for constants or other values that should not be changed during the execution of a program. For example, max_value. It's important to note that these are just conventions, and you are free to use any naming conventions you prefer in your C# code. However, following these conventions can make your code easier to read and understand for other programmers. The most important thing is to always be consistent. Now let's summarize the key takeaways from the last module. Here's what you should remember and apply in practice to write better code. There are three main types of capitalization conventions in C#: PascalCase, CamelCase, and ALLCAPS. You are free to use any naming conventions you prefer in your C# code, but following these conventions can make your code easier to read and understand for other programmers. The most important thing is to always be consistent with your capitalization in order to improve the readability and clarity of your code.